Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to prepare Veg Lollipop. Start by gathering your fresh ingredients. You'll need about 1 cup of finely chopped mixed vegetables such as carrots, beans, and peas. Boil and mash 2 medium-sized potatoes until smooth. These form the base of your delicious lollipops. Also, have 1/4 cup of breadcrumbs ready to help bind everything together. This simple preparation ensures a smooth cooking process. Now, in a large bowl, combine your mashed potatoes, chopped vegetables, and a pinch of salt and pepper. Add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste for an aromatic kick. Incorporate 2 tablespoons of corn flour to help the mixture hold its shape. Mix everything thoroughly until well combined. Then, gently form the mixture into small, uniform lollipop-shaped balls, about 1.5 inches in diameter. Next, prepare a thin slurry by mixing 2 tablespoons of corn flour with a little water. Dip each shaped lollipop ball into this slurry, ensuring it's fully coated. Immediately roll the wet balls in the breadcrumbs, pressing gently to ensure a thick, even layer. Heat oil in a pan to medium-high temperature. Carefully deep fry the lollipops in batches until they turn a beautiful golden brown and are wonderfully crisp. Once fried, carefully remove the lollipops and place them on paper towels to drain any excess oil. For that classic lollipop look, gently insert a small stick into each one. You can garnish them with a few fresh coriander leaves for an appealing presentation. Serve these delightful veg lollipops hot with a tangy tomato ketchup or a spicy mint chutney. They make a fantastic appetizer for any occasion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.